What traditions define us?
Issei, Nisei, Sansei.
The ones passed down?
Mas em contrapartida, então somos brasileiros.
Or the ones we reimagine into something new?
Japanese aesthetic with the Brazilian soul.
I'm Jessica Nabongo, and today I'm in Sao Paulo, where a generation of Japanese Brazilians used the past to inspire the present.
E nós assistimos o parto via vídeo WhatsApp.
Eu já tive muita saudade do Japão e o grupo me fazia matar um pouco essa saudade.
Um lugar de muito acolhimento,
sororidade. Existe uma palavra em japonês chamada kokoro. Alguns traduzem só o coração, mas ele é muito mais profundo. É um sentimento. E talvez o WhatsApp foi feito do kokoro, de um sentimento profundo de matar essa saudade.
Karate is emblematic of Japanese culture. Yuka, Yonamine, and her father's dojo in Sao Paulo is a blend of both cultures, with generational differences shining through.
Meu pai trouxe o karatê do Japão, o karatê raiz, o karatê muito puro. E isso acaba sendo uma forma de ter a honra de seguir esse legado, ensinando o karatê. E toda a família pratica esse legado. Meu pai faz questão de praticar todas as partes culturais, tanto do Japão como de Okinawa. Apesar de tantos anos no Brasil, ele não fala direito o português.
Karate in their dojo blends both sides of their heritage, in the process creating something brand new.
Juntando as duas coisas, eu sinto dentro de mim com o Brasil e o Japão. A gente se sente uma pizza, metade mussarela, metade sushi.
Was it difficult growing up in Brazil, being Japanese?
Antigamente era mais difícil. Mas eu nasci nesse bairro e esse bairro tem muito oriental, né? Eu ensino karatê numa escola japonesa, né, aqui em São Paulo. Então tem bastante ocidental buscando a escola japonesa por conta da disciplina, da cultura e de toda dessa questão da educação japonesa.
Yuka suggested I explore the Liberdade neighborhood to better understand the Japanese culture of Sao Paulo.
Hola, Danilo. I'm close to where we said we would meet. I'll see you soon.
As a child, Danilo Kato moved from Brazil to Japan and back again. Today, he uses his art to reconcile both aspects of his culture, expressing his Japanese heritage and sometimes conflicting feelings of being mixed race.
Not only Liberdade district, but Brazil as a country has the biggest Japanese community outside Japan. And in Sao Paulo, this neighborhood, Liberdade, houses the largest number of people from this community. I'm Nisei. My mom was born in Japan, but she came here when she was just 1 year old.
Oh, okay.
Because of it, I'm second generation.
Okay.
Called Nisei.
Nisei.
Yeah. Inside my house, they always give me Japanese books to read. Mm-hmm. My grandfather used to tape some Japanese TV shows and Japanese animations, animes, for me to watch.
Oh, nice.
It was very sweet, and I appreciate this so much.
It's a beautiful memory. So your family really helped you to maintain that Japanese culture, even being here in Brazil.
Yeah.
You're mixed race and very proud of your Japanese heritage. How is that reflected in your art?
I consider it Japanese aesthetic with the Brazilian soul and essence in it. WhatsApp is where I can share my art. And also, I want you to check your WhatsApp because I'm going to send you a little thing.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
Danilo, this is amazing.
Yes, it's for you.
And what's a better way to blend two cultures than through flavor? Japas Cervejaria is a brewery ran by 3 women who are crafting a beer brand that reflects great taste and family history.
We knew that we were like Brazilian, of course, but we also have this Japanese side that we kept hearing about, and we're discovering what it means to be a Brazilian Japanese.
Beyond the flavor profile, their beers tell the story of their family's migration to Brazil.
So Casato Maru is the beer we brewed for the 110th anniversary of the Japanese immigration. So it's the name of the first ship, and then we decided to brew it with decopone. We kind of mixed everything together.
So this is the actual ship.
Yes.
Yumi did a collage. She found the picture of the original ship and put everything together. Fernanda's and Yumi's, actually their ancestors came in the same ship. That is the Rio de Janeiro Maru.
Me and Fernanda is the Rio de Janeiro Maru, and Maira is Sanuki.
Sanuki Maru. So we did a beer for each one of those ships too.
Yes.
We know this industry is like an old boys club. What is it like to be women in this space?
Sim, é importante ter essas trocas dentro dos grupos de WhatsApp, porque a gente vê que o que a gente passa aqui no Brasil ou em qualquer lugar do mundo é meio parecido, assim. Então a gente consegue trocar informação para a gente poder saber como lidar com isso, né? Principalmente sobre questões de machismo.
Seeing everyone come together, I thought about how naturally they're able to reflect both cultures and why. Maybe it's because none of the people I met treat traditions as burdens. They treat them as gifts, not letting traditions define them, but taking what interests them and using it to grow their own talents and reach their own goals.